I'm on a mental case.
My nigga.
But wait,
What is it?
do you know that if you go to the US, I mean, the United States of America, and you want to get honey, I mean, pure honey, do you know that you can only get it from USBs?
Oh, come on now, dog. You get it? Come on, man. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Continue.
What if I take this seasoning, dry time, that belongs to you, and I begin to pour it all over the place for no reason? Does that mean that I am wasting your time?
You get it?
Are you normal? Are you normal?
Continue.
If a sick man who cannot walk is seated on a wheelchair, cracks a joke, is that a sick joke? Or a lame joke?
Make use of your brain now.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
You're a fool.
Continue.
What if this sick man becomes well and now he can walk again?
Oh my God! Wow!
And he cracks another joke. Does that make him now a stand-up comedian?
Think about your life.
I said it's not normal.
God, why now?
Comedian?
Somebody that went to school.
Is it from our village?
God forbid.
Continue.
I was watching videos yesterday of 𝑻𝒊𝒎𝒊𝒕𝒂𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒓 of his concerts in O2 Arena, and I came to a conclusion that, do you know that Wizkid, Big Wiz, he would never have achieved all of this if not that he has a very big, I mean a very large.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh man, so
Fambi.
No. You won't make the dust touch you.
Fambi.
That is the voice of foolishness.
Can you fuck off?
Bye bye.
Help us. Help us. There is God.